Amazing the difference from morning to
Oh,
afternoon.
yes.
Skies went from gray to sunny and blue.
Yeah, this morning I woke up to thunderstorms, and then George, I walked outside not long ago, and it's pretty blue skies and sunny.
I told her, I said, you need to go outside.
What's happening next, George?
It is a very warm out here on the weather deck. A lot of higher humidity. This is what we expect for the summer months. Very warm, very humid. Now, we are going to turn things down a little bit this weekend with some scattered showers as some cooler air begins to move on in. 13 weather ball is blinking bright because later on this evening, some thunderstorms in sight and some weekend showers starting Saturday. It's also blue. A cooler weekend in view around the area. Skies range from sunny along the lakeshore. Look at Holland, also Grand Haven, some big waves there. Partly cloudy here in the inland areas, but lots of sunshine in Muskegon, Pentwater as well. 2-foot waves out on the big lake. All of the storms from this morning has really pushed the waves up momentarily here along the coastline. You can see from Grand Haven the waves running about 3, maybe some 4-footers there. 77 degrees. The beach was the place to be here after the rain moved on out. Water temperatures are right around 70 or so. Things will be a little bit different here tomorrow, however. All of the showers from earlier today have now moved well off to the east. Some rumbles of thunder as well, but no severe weather as we talked about. A cold pool of air right around that low pressure system right in through there. Got a couple of storms coming off the Wisconsin shoreline over southern lower Michigan or southern Lake Michigan. Those will pivot into the region a little bit later on this evening. We're not expecting any severe weather. This is 8 o'clock this evening. Still lots of sunshine. Should be a great sundown. And then here come those showers and storms between about 10 p.m. and 2 a.m. And then as that low just kind of hangs out for the next couple of days, we'll see some scattered showers from late morning into the afternoon. Could be a rumble of thunder, but mostly just some showers. Toward the lakeshore, you have a better chance of seeing less in terms of rainfall. Quiets down overnight, and then on Sunday, fewer showers, but again, still popping up here and there before this finally moves on out later on. As far as rainfall, all of it will come on Saturday and Sunday. Next week, we're looking at dry weather across all of West Michigan. Dew points will still be in the 60s both tomorrow and Sunday, and then become more comfortable most of next week, just rising a bit toward the following weekend. Long-range outlooks starting on August 22nd through the 26th, we return to a higher chance for warmer than average temperatures and a high chance for less precipitation also during that 5-day period. So tonight, look for clear skies this evening and then becoming partly cloudy with some scattered storms. No severe weather anticipated. Low and mid 60s, kind of humid, low and mid 60s to the north with some evening showers and storms. And here in the greater Grand Rapids area, we'll see our storms rumble through between about 10 p.m. and 2 a.m. 13 on your side forecast. Mainly scattered showers, about 80% of the area Saturday, 60% on Sunday. And then starting on Monday, we'll see lots of sunshine, maybe a little haze in the air Monday and Tuesday. All the way into the weekend, mild temperatures, a little bit below our average highs, but you know what? It's going to be a gorgeous week next week after the weekend.
That looks great. I'm excited, even though a lot of kids will be back in school for that.
A little reverse,
True.
you know. Let's have the nice days on the weekend, right? That's okay. We can deal. Thanks, George.
The plants and the lawns are loving the 2 days worth of rain we have had. It's been heavy here in the last 24 hours. Did stick around this morning along the lakeshore, but now that has cleared on out. We do have more showers in the forecast, even some rumbles of thunder. 13 weather ball is blinking bright because of that in sight early tonight and also during the day tomorrow. It's also blue. Cooler weather in view. Right now we've got mainly clear skies, few cumulus clouds here and there. Green paw for Missy this evening for a couple of hours, and then a couple of thunderstorms are going to come in off the lake, and tomorrow we may actually see a shower right around daybreak into the afternoon. So a yellow paw for 8 o'clock tomorrow morning. Tomorrow, not as much sunshine as we saw today. We did see a good deal this afternoon as promised, and the winds are still going to be fairly tolerable. They're going to shift around to the north this weekend, and that's going to bring down some of that cooler air, and that's what's going to drive some scattered showers, especially during the late morning into the early evening. All of the showers and storms from earlier today exiting the state. Now we've got some scattered storms that have come off the Wisconsin shoreline out over central Lake Michigan, part of that upper level low right in through there. And those are going to make it way into southwest lower Michigan. There's a very small risk one of those could be on the stronger side later on tonight between about 10 p.m. and 2 a.m. You can see those storms coming off the coastline. This is right around 2 o'clock in the morning. They've already pushed well to our east. But on and off showers throughout the day tomorrow. Not raining all the time. There'll be some breaks from time to time. Closer to the lakeshore, you'll have lower chances for showers and storms. Higher chance once you get further inland. Then it calms down late in the day. Skies clear a little bit. Then we repeat this on Sunday. Maybe not quite as widespread of the showers, but they'll still be sticking around in most areas. Looking farther ahead, this is already getting into the end of August. I think virtually the entire country has higher chances for warmer temperatures returning, with the exception of Alaska. Apparently it's going to be cooler there, and a high chance we'll have less precipitation also during that 7-day period. As forecast for tonight, look for clear skies this evening and then some scattered thunderstorms coming on board, with overnight lows around low to mid 60s. Still a rather humid night, and the humidity sticking around tomorrow as well. Temperatures to the north, low and mid 60s. You have already seen your skies clear. You'll see some later showers and thunderstorms later this evening into the early morning hours. Similar here in the greater Grand Rapids area. Should be a beautiful evening until the sun goes down there at about 8:42, and then the scattered showers and storms, but not anticipating any severe weather, at least at this moment. 13 on your side forecast. About 80% of the area will see some form of showers, not all day, but occasionally with some pockets of sunshine. 76, 77 on Sunday, with fewer areas seeing, and the best chances will be further away from Lake Michigan. All next week, we'll start the week with some haze. That'll clear on out by Wednesday. Humidity levels drop considerably after Sunday, but temperature is also going to be a little bit below average, but they'll start to climb again toward the end of next weekend. Just the next couple of days, a little unsettled.
But I'm really looking forward to next week.
Looking
It's
good.
beautiful.
That sounds good. We just have to get through a little bit of rain first.
We can handle it. Thank you, George. George, some interesting skies over parts of West Michigan right now. Today's sunshine being replaced with clouds that are moving back in.
Yeah, we've got some storms out over Lake Michigan. They're not severe, but they'll impact the lakeshore here in a couple of hours. Meanwhile, here in Grand Rapids, our skies have cleared, some haze in the air, and certainly a different change from this morning. 13 weather ball is blinking bright for the evening thunderstorms in sight and the weekend showers ahead. It's also blue, cooler weather in view. Highs today, once the sun came out, climbed into the upper 70s and even low 80s, made 83 here in Grand Rapids, above our average high of 81. Just within our target range. I'm glad I wasn't the one that missed the forecast here today. 30 days in a row. We're going for a clean slate here by hopefully staying on target here during the day tomorrow. We have an upper level low pressure system that is translating down to the surface as well. You can kind of see it spinning up here in northern Wisconsin. There's quite a large area of clouds and some scattered showers, and that is what is going to be rotating into lower Michigan later on tonight. Out ahead of it, we've got a couple of showers and storms out over Lake Michigan. None of these are severe, just some ordinary showers and storms. They'll be blossoming here over the next couple of hours and then push through the greater Grand Rapids area between about 10 p.m. and midnight into 2 a.m. off to the east. So don't anticipate any of these being severe, just some rumbles of thunder, maybe a gusty wind or two. And then tomorrow morning, we're going to start out fairly quiet, but during the afternoon, we'll see some of these showers pop up. Could be a rumble of thunder as well, but this will impact your areas, especially away from the lakeshore. More sunshine toward the lake on Saturday, and then inland. And then as things calm down overnight tomorrow night, the skies will clear a little bit, and then we'll be back to some more scattered showers during the day on Sunday. They'll be fewer and farther between. Nonetheless, an unsettled weekend coming in our direction. Every Friday, we get the week 3 and 4 outlook, and this shows much of the country with higher chances for warmer temperatures. We're right on the northern edge of that, so we have an equal chance of seeing warm, cool readings from the end of August through the first 13 days of September, and we're right on the edge of a higher chance for less precipitation as well. So an equal chance here, at least during that 2-week period. Forecast for tomorrow, you can expect some scattered showers, especially in the inland areas. More sunshine toward the lakeshore, mid and upper 70s. The winds will be picking up out of the northwest, and that will build those waves back up, especially later on into the afternoon. Mid 70s to the north. Inland is where the better chance for some scattered showers will be popping up, but not raining all the time. There'll be some pockets of sunshine as well, and certainly the same here in the greater Grand Rapids area. Lower chance toward the lakeshore, higher chances for some showers from basically late morning into the early evening. 13 on your side forecast. After the unsettled and humid weekend, we hang on to some of the haze but drop the humidity Monday and Tuesday. All of next week, sunny, dry, readings climbing into the mid and upper 70s. Finally, by next weekend, we'll see temperatures up closer to 80+ degrees.